baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I revive and maintain my synthetic wigs. In this video you will need some shampoo by V05. I'll also be using the conditioner too as well. Same brand. Also you will need a comb, any type of comb is okay, and a wig brush too as well to brush the hair. So here's the wig. This wig is very matted and tangled, so I will recommend that you comb and brush out the wig as much as you can before placing it all in the water. Now this wig was originally long. I cut it into a bob. So yeah, I will be leaving the wig link down below from where I purchased it from if you guys are wondering. So now what I'm going to do is run some warm water. I only use warm water, not too cold, not too hot on the wig. It works perfectly fine. So what you want to do is soak the entire wig with water. Just soak it all in. So I soaked the wig completely before I applied the shampoo. So ladies, like I said, you want to make sure that you brush and comb out any tangles in the wig before you wash it. While I'm washing it, I will not be combing and brushing it out until the wig is completely dry. So while the wig is wet, it will give you a hard time, so I just really recommend to not combing the wig while washing it. Now as you can see also, the way I'm washing the wig, I'm really just going with my hands, sliding my hands through the wig. No combing, nothing like that. Here is I washed it a second time around. You know, it just depends on how dirty your wig is. So this wig was very dirty, so I'm just washing it one more time, making sure everything is out, soaking all that dirt out. So yeah, all that bacteria gotta go. And when you start washing, you will see a little bit of shedding, and you'll see like the ends starting to shed, but that's okay. You'll get to that at the end. And of course, before you get to the conditioner, what I'm doing here is just rinsing all of that shampoo completely out. So here is the best part, because I'm finally using the conditioner. And y'all, the conditioner basically what gives back the wig its complete life. I'm going to be using more of conditioner than I did a shampoo. So I'm just going to be lathering this all in the hair, like soaking it in the hair. So as you run your fingers through, if you ever do this at home, while you're running your fingers through, you're going to feel like the hair softening up from the conditioner. Like you're going to feel the transformation as you running your hands through. So basically, I think of the conditioner as the perm for the hair. So you know how you relax the perm all in the hair and comb it and massage it in until you feel that your hair is getting soft? This is basically how I think of the conditioner, as the perm for the hair, just relaxing it all in. So here, I don't know if you can really see how the hair texture has changed. but it has gotten way more softened and more silkier. It just was way better than what it was before, so it's looking good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm opening the wig up, I'm laying it down flat, and I'm going to let the conditioner soak in. So yeah, you guys, as you can see here, I just laid it down flat, let it all soak in. I usually let it soak in for about 15 to 20 minutes. It all just depends on the state of the wig, how bad it is. So I'm probably going to let it sit in for about 20 to 25 minutes for this wig here. Now here it's time to rinse. I'm still going to use warm water. Now when you're rinsing, it's okay to use cold water too as well. So that's okay, just not hot. I would not prefer hot water. As you can see, girl, look at this hair. Like, you can see that it's so soft and silky. In the beginning, Lord have mercy, it was terrible. It was matted up. It was all bad. Now you're going to see the ends a little all over the place. But that's normal because when you're washing, the ends will pull. So when a wig is dry, you're going to just cut it off. It's not a big deal. So just warning you, that may happen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start rinsing everything out really good. Make sure you see what that lace is. I cleaned it very well because normally with the lace you put glue there, you put gel there, so just make sure you clean it very well in that area. So yeah, ladies, I don't blow dry my hair. I air dry it, so I'm going to take my wig in my room, hang it up on my closet door or whatever you want to hang it up in. I'm just going to place it inside of this baggie because it's dripping everywhere. So here's the wig. I'm going to place it right on my closet doorknob. So just let it hang there, and then I'm going to take the plastic bag and I'm going to stick it under the closet door. You will need this because the water will be dripping all night. So in the morning, it should be completely dry. So yeah, just leave it there. I don't brush or comb it until the morning until it's dry, so don't worry about that. Here's a sneak peek of me styling my synthetic wig. If you want to check this out, make sure you go ahead and do so. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I upload a new video.